Ever wondered what makes Bordeaux wines so unique, so sought after, so irresistible? Or have you ever felt confused by a Bordeaux wine label? I'm Master of Wine Christine Marsiglio, and I'll be unveiling these secrets and more in Bordeaux 101, an online course by Folly. Through the wines, grapes, terroir, and chateau of Bordeaux, we'll immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry of its history and terroir. You'll be able to more easily understand this iconic region as it's broken up into 7 comprehensive sections: history, grapes, terroir, the regions of Bordeaux, understanding Bordeaux labels, buying advice, and a tasting which will cover the 4 main styles of wine in Bordeaux: Cabernet blends, Merlot blends, dry white wines, and of course, sweet wines. Your journey will culminate in a certificate challenge consisting of 50 multiple choice questions that will test your newfound knowledge. We're going to cover it all. So are you ready to peel back the layers of Bordeaux and its mystique? Grab a glass and let's begin this extraordinary journey together.